Hey beauties, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I am so incredibly excited. I had no idea this was coming. I have no idea what is in here or anything like that, but I just got a big package from Ipsy. I actually thought that it was my Ipsy PR for the month of January, and I was like, whoa, that is incredibly early this month. And I went to open it, I did open it, and as I was opening it, I saw something pink. And I told my husband, I was like, yeah, that I think is a gift. And then I did check my email after the fact, and it did say, you have a gift coming. So surprise, and thank you to Ipsy in advance for sending me a freaking gift. I am ecstatic, I'm honored, and I'm super grateful. But I wanted to sit down and film it with you guys. I have no idea what it is just yet, so let me get it out of the box first. Well, it's kind of heavy. I think it might be an Advent thing or something. Okay, packaging is amazing. I think that was everything. It was packaged so incredibly well too, with like tons and tons of bubble wrap and stuff. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully you guys are enjoying Christmas. Obviously we are in the home stretch. If you do celebrate, I would like to know, are you ready? Are we ever really ready, y'all? I don't know. This look too, sneaky peeky, this is going to be my New Year's glam look. I cannot tell you how incredibly beautiful this is in person, you guys. I love this look. So it will be coming soon. So it does say Ipsy on the top, and it's got bows and stuff like that all over it, and there are drawers everywhere. I feel like I may have seen this on their site, but I don't recall what was in it, and I don't know if it is an advent calendar or just something cute and random. But it does, like, each little section turns and stuff like that. So thank you freaking Ipsy. I literally thought it was my PR, and it's a gift, and I'm so grateful. Also, my son just got into town. So I will try to hurry this one up. I do apologize, but you guys know that when he is in town or when family's around, I really try to unplug. That is incredibly important to me. I don't know if I'm supposed to wait for the top. I don't know if there's numbers. Let me not look yet. 'Tis the season to spoil yourself, Ipsy. I'm just gonna go in. First thing right on top is the Pacifica Kale Detox Pore Strips. Clean dirty pores and nasty blackheads with kale, witch hazel, and tea tree oil. I am gonna usually pass this along to my son, and I will, but I'm gonna use one for myself. And look, if you are like, I feel like specifically in like my age bracket, I'm about to be 47. Yeah, we used the hell out of these when we were teenagers. We thought they were miracle workers. All right, the next thing in this little section, and that will be it, is the Elemis Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix. Oh, I've only tried the marine cream one. I am intrigued by that. It is a full size. Oh, this is so exciting. Let me go ahead and tie this back up. Let me just double check. Yes, that was everything in there. This is so cool. And obviously, you know, any like gift, anything that I receive, I'm incredibly grateful for. But specifically if like I had no idea it was coming, it's, you know, that much more special to me. Okay, I'm gonna go to this section now. Okay, we have the Murad Resurgence Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. Okay. Also in here is the Innisfree Green Tea Enzyme Vitamin C Brightening Cream. I think that's it in that little section. And this, I like that it's so like sturdy and stable. I could absolutely reuse this. I'm turning it around and I'm still on that same level, but on the opposite side. Oh, one of my favorite skincare brands. This is the Glow Recipe Pomegranate Peptide Firming Serum. And I'm just gonna show y'all the container because I already know it is going to be exquisitely beautiful because they always are. Yes, yes it is. That is stunning. Ooh. All right. And then there's the bottom tier, and I'm assuming also two drawers there as well. So I'm going to the bottom tier now. Ooh. We have the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampule with spirulina and blue tansy. This is exciting. yes, I'm definitely going to reuse this. I don't know how, and I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I'm going to keep it. And then I'm in the last little thing. I think it's the last one. This is the Skincare Junkie Gentle Jelly Facial Cleanser. Normal to oily skin, cucumber infused. I will not use this because I do not like anything cucumber other than, you know, cucumber and whatever cucumber might be in. Skincare stuff with it, I do not like. Okay, and then the very last thing I think is the, ooh, what are you? Ooh, Real Her Confident Glow Lip Mask and Lip Scrub Duo. But they're together. That is so cool. So it's got the mask and then the scrub, and they're each in their little separate pots, but they're together. That's pretty cool. That says Confident Glow. I'm not sure if there's like a flavor. I guess Confident Glow is the color and the flavor. I'm blown away. I'm exceptionally thrilled. Let me just double check and make sure that I got everything. Like the packaging and everything of this is so freaking beautiful, you guys. I love the colors and stuff like that. It's nice and heavy and weighted and very substantial. So yeah, I wanted to sit down with you guys and open this really quickly. Like I said, until I saw it and realized it was not my PR for January, I was like, what the heck is this? And it's a gift from Ipsy. So thank you so much, Ipsy. And of course, thank you to you guys for taking the time to come and watch. I hope everybody is well. I hope you guys are having an amazing holiday season, even though the holiday season is almost done. We consider holiday season all the way through New Year's. Do you? And do you normally go out for New Year's? Do you keep it kind of quiet and low key? I would like to know. As much as I would love to wear this outfit that I'm wearing because it's so pretty, and this makeup and actually go somewhere, we do not go out on New Year's. I don't want to be around crowds that are drinking and getting loud and boisterous and all the things. We stay at home. Generally, I'm still trying to watch some Christmas movies and holiday movies, but I may have a sippy sip of some spiced rum and some eggnog. If you like that, let me know. And do you have like a favorite beverage or cocktail? It doesn't have to be, you know, an adult beverage, but I'd like to know what your favorite beverage is. Specifically, if you do drink, what's your favorite cocktail? I'd like to know. That is it. Thank you again to Ipsy. Thank you to you guys. I love you so much. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.